This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Anita Gary. This great family home has everything a family wants. Featuring an open floor plan with a kitchen island overlooking the great room and dining area for maximum togetherness. The sliding glass door gives easy access to the backyard for stargazing, barbecues and lots of playtime. Parents enjoy the split bedroom plan for lots of peace and privacy while overlooking the fenced backyard in your own private, spacious master bedroom retreat. With 3 additional bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 1,935 square feet of space, is more than enough room for everyone. The amenities include a fitness room, tot lot, a community swimming pool, pickle and bocce ball, natural trails and a community clubhouse. Visit nearby the beaches, downtown Tampa and St. Petersburg for 3 professional sports team. Fantastic great shopping, dining. The family will love the short drive to one of the largest man-made lagoons, Metro Lagoons Southshore Bay. This is a maintenance-free community, which means you won't have to mow the lawn. For more information, review the details below or contact Anita Gary at 941-225-7355.